So, you often forget about the economic impact of skiing on Mount Hood. I mean, that's a whole livelihood for a lot of folks. So that's certainly good news.
Yeah, thankfully that's looking good up there.
Yeah, you want it to start really early and to go late into the season.
You do.
Also means a lot of fun up at the mountain as well. But some great views coming in tonight as the lights of Mount Hood Meadows are reflecting off of that freshly covered hillside. And that's where many of our ski resorts are seeing the numbers over the past 48 hours continue to climb up above the foot mark, if not even close to 2 feet in many locations. On the flip side of all of the snowy weather, we did see some active weather once again today. We're talking about Wednesday's waterspout. So that is a tornado that forms over the ocean waters or any body of water. And this was out towards the southwest Washington area. Thanks to Ian Reed and the Portland National Weather Service for sending in this incredible photograph again of that waterspout. It happened right around 4:30 or so, and the National Weather Service, because of those trained spotters, were actually able to issue a tornado warning that extended all the way through about 5 o'clock. Again, this was out towards the southwest Grays Harbor County area. Again, earlier today, as our skies are still picking up on some of those rain showers, as it was just a little bit further north of our forecasting area. Here's a bit of a breakdown as far as tornado safety, because it's not too often that we actually see tornadoes in our area. So you want to make sure you are in the interior sections of your house. The best place is going to be your basement, and you want to be away from any windows and doors. Again, this is a friendly reminder as tornado warnings do not happen all that often here in the Pacific Northwest. A live look right now across our area, picking up on some heavier downpours out towards the seaside location, also piling up that snow at Mount Hood as Vancouver is on the dry side right now. But some of those thunderstorms still firing up just off the coastline as we are picking up on some heavier bands of rain, again out towards that southwest corner of Grays Harbor County after they dealt with that funnel cloud earlier in the day. But the Portland, Vancouver metro area may be picking up on a stray raindrop or two at this point in time, as the mountains are still holding on to that snowflake potential with winter weather advisories in effect through 4 o'clock tomorrow morning, with slick road conditions likely. But you'll notice that our snow elevation level starts to rise back up to about 7,000 feet for Thursday into Friday. That comes with a bit of a warming trend. So tomorrow, the calm before our next storm still comes with the rain potential, but you'll notice once we get into Friday, those winds starting to howl out of the south again. A very similar setup to our bomb cyclone, but not nearly as strong. Wind gusts, though, still nearing about 30 to 40 miles per hour here across our area. Few rain showers tomorrow morning. We trade that out for the cloud coverage before the wet weather really moves its way back in for much of the day Friday. Filling up those rain gauges once again, piling up the snow over the Cascades as we anticipate nearly a ½ inch in some locations. Tonight here in the city, 44 degrees. That's where we expect to fall to. And tomorrow we anticipate those easterly winds to kick us back up into the mid-50s. The rain, the wind, it arrives Friday. Saturday and Sunday, a few hit and miss showers as that front on Friday cools us back into the low 50s. But as we approach the very busy travel day of Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, likely going to start to dry out, but also cool down for us.
Okay. All right. I like that outlook, though.
I do, too.
Thanks, Josh. Hey, Jeff.